So this is question number 5. Still, it's a KCPE for 2021. And the question is, what is the value of x in the equation? And this is the equation that we are given. We are supposed to find the value of x. So we have 2x plus a third into brackets. 6x minus 3 is equal to 21. Okay. Now, the first step is to open these brackets. Okay. And if you have watched question number 4, we say that you open the brackets by multiplying what is inside the brackets by what is outside the brackets. Okay. And also, I have to say at this point that we have two ways of solving this question. Okay. So method number 1. Let's start with the method 1. So this will be 2x plus, so we multiply what is inside the brackets by what is outside the brackets. So this will be a third. We multiply by 6x, okay, and then minus, then a third, you multiply by 3 into brackets is equal to 21. So what I have done is just opening the brackets, and this has expanded the equation. So this will be 2x plus, okay, this one will cancel out, by 3 1, by 3 2, so we are left with 2x, because 1 times 2 is 2. 2x minus by 3 1, by 3 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so minus 1 is equal to 21. Okay, now we are done with the fractions. We don't have any more fractions, and we don't have any brackets as well. Okay, now the next thing is we put like terms. We call them like terms. Okay, like 2x and 2x are like terms. Okay, so this will be 2x plus 2x will be 4x minus 1 will be 21. Okay, now you want to be left with x on this side. Okay, now so we are going to take 1 on the other side, so 1 will come on this side, and when it comes on the other side, the subtraction sign will change into an addition sign. Okay, so here we are going to have 4x is equal to 21 plus 1, which is equal to 4x is equal to 22. So let me explain why the minus becomes an addition sign, because you want to be left with 4x on this side. Okay, so this is kind of a shortcut, because if you want to be left with 4x, you're gonna take this minus 1, and then because you want it done, you add 1. Okay, and what you do on this side, you do on the other side, so it will be 21 plus 1. So that is the explanation behind it, that whenever a subtraction goes on the other side of the equal sign, it becomes an addition. Okay, and if you work this out, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so you are left with what you wanted, which is 4x, and then 21 plus 1 comes to 22. So basically that is how we got at that point. Now we have let me delete that one. Now we have 4x is equal to 22. You want to find x, therefore we divide both sides by 4. Okay, these will cancel out. We are left with x will be equal to 22 divided by 4. It will be 5 because of 20. You're left with 2. So we put a point over here, a decimal, and then we can use no, I think the answer was in fractions, so we don't have to put the answer in decimals. So let me leave it at 5, and then I delete this 0. So you have 5. So you have 5 and 2 over 4. 2 over 4 can be simplified further by dividing by 2. So by 2, 1, by 2, 2. Therefore, you get it's 5.5. Therefore, our x is 5.5. So that is the correct answer. If you have the question paper, that will be option B. So basically, this is coming from the topic of algebra, and these kind of questions are very common, and I can also bet there will be another one like this one in KCP 2022. So I hope you followed every step that we did, and if you have any questions, reach out to us and in the comments section, and we are going to answer your question.